Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Alcatel 3T10 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the almost very bottom to find the apps. Let's tap on it. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom this time and tap on Special App Access. And here on the very bottom again to find Install Unknown Apps. And wait a second. Or more than 1 second. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. So let's change it. So for example, let me pick Chrome. Let's tap on it and simply tap on the switcher here. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is allowed to install some content. Of course, it will work the same with all other apps, but be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developers, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So really remember about that and be careful. Of course, you can turn off all previously granted permissions. Just tap on it and tap on the switcher again. And as you can see, the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. So basically that's all. This is how to allow unknown sources in your Alcatel 3T10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.